Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Hector back with another vlog, and today I'm starting the vlog a little late. It's actually 3:46. That's because this morning I was taking care of some business and just doing some clean around the house that, quite frankly, I don't think that it's too interesting to vlog about. So but now we're gonna get into the more interesting stuff, the more car related stuff. So I'm bringing you guys along with me. Right now I'm gonna go check out a tire place that I usually go to and possibly get the two front tires switched for some better ones, because I'm taking a trip to Sacramento this weekend, and the last thing I want is for a tire to like pop or something bad to happen, because the tires are not at the best condition. So we're gonna go check them out. The reason I don't say new tires though is because, look, I'm gonna be 100 with you guys. I'm not a tire expert, so I don't know if you can get two new tires in the front and then the back ones are not as new. I don't know if that affects like the balance of the tires. I don't know if that makes sense for you guys, but anyway, I want them to kind of match, right? But that's a question that I'm gonna ask them, because they're the experts. So I'll ask them and they'll kind of let me know what to do, So also I'm gonna go to a detailing place where they sell supplies to detail your car, because yes, I do wash my car, and because I also want to wash it, I want to have it ready, so for when this weekend comes, I'm not struggling, because I got other things to do. And today's actually a perfect day to wash the car, because although it's like 93 degrees, the sun is not out, and it's gonna be hot, but it's not, the sun's not gonna be hitting me right in the face, which is perfect to wash the car. So we're gonna take care of that today. Anyway, I'll see you guys at the tire place. By the way, guys, I'm gonna probably get Michelin, but on my other Cadillac I did have Pirelli. So write in the comment section what kind of tires you recommend, or which brand you like better, Pirelli or Michelin. Let me know in the comment section, guys. All right, so he's gonna show me some that are like kind of the same as the ones I have, because they don't have the ones I have on my car in stock right now. So I'm gonna check them out.
Okay. Esa es la marca que manejamos nosotros, se llama Wesley. Esa cuesta $100 cada una.
Okay.
Con los taxes, la puesta, la balanceada, el disposo, todo incluido.
¿Y qué tan buena es como de...?
Estas...
Porque me lo voy a llevar a Sacramento, por eso.
Oh,
o sea, quiero que...
Van y vienen. Estas traen 30,000 millas de garantía en el desgaste. Y traen... estas traen 6 meses de defecto de fábrica, ¿verdad, pariente? Sí, la 225-45-17. Oh, sí. Sí.
Ok, ¿y porque no tiene las que yo tengo, verdad?
No, las Michelin no. Esas no. Serían orden especial y salen mucho más caras.
Yeah.
Sí, porque la Michelin está hablando de mejor calidad, pero también de las más caritas.
Yo creo por mientras le voy a poner las dos de enfrente, porque son las que están, y ya después puedo ordenarlas, porque quiero poner las Michelin, las 4, sí, que es la marca que me gusta. Sí. Pero por mientras, porque me lo voy a llevar este sábado.
Okay.
¿Sí me entiendes?
¿Le ponemos dos usaditas?
Sí.
Ok, te enseño ahorita un par de esas.
Ok, gracias. Yeah, so I want to get the same brand that I have in my car. They don't have it here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get the ones from the front, some used ones for now. That way I can make the trip to Sacramento and then come back, and then when I come back I'll go ahead and order all 4 brand new Michelin. So that's the plan. Let's do it. Alright guys, so these are the gently used tires that I'm gonna put on, because look at these. I don't know if you can see that, but like there's literally pieces coming off the tire. Like that is not good right there, especially because I'm taking a 7-hour trip there and back, 14 hours total driving. Let's not risk an accident because of some tires. He did mention that the back ones were kind of messed up as well, but he doesn't have another pair. So I think that's the plan, that we are gonna get just 2 used ones for the front, and then once I come back we'll get all 4. But yeah, these are pretty bad. I don't know if you could see that. There's like pieces coming off the tire already. Let's check the other side. Oh yeah, see, this one's even worse, man. Look at that. I'm not even kidding. That's like a piece right there coming off. Look. Yeah, these are horrible. This is worse than the other side. Alright, so we're gonna let these guys do what they do best. They tell me that it's a little tough to get in there because of these side skirts, and just because it's lowered too. So, but we got it. He's doing it. We give you guys a closer look at the calipers here. Very clean, very clean. Got my guy here installing it for me now. By the way, Rene se llama, ¿verdad? Rene's Tire Service. Great guys, you guys. If you need a tire, new, used, whatever, you guys come through here. They take care of you. Alright guys, pretty good deal. I gave my guy a $10 tip. Now this guy. Oh. Ahí está, le correo. Ahí está, pues para ti. Gracias. Gracias. Ahí estuvo. Ya está, ¿verdad? Ya. No. ¿Todavía no? Oh.
Le voy a checar. Ahí está bien.
Ahí está ya, ¿verdad?
Okay. Ok, ahorita la arreglamos.
Apenas llegó, ¿verdad? Barely came through, look at that. Alright guys, and that was a wrap. I gave, there was two of the guys working on my car. It was a total of $80, which is not that bad. I think it's pretty good actually. For both, right? And for the labor. Also, so I had $20 left. I split that into two and gave each of them $10 tip. It's not much, but it's something better than nothing, you know. And right now, I was gonna go to this auto detailing store, but I'm gonna go check AutoZone because that auto detailing store is pretty far, and I don't really feel like driving all the way over there. But if I don't find what I'm looking for here, I'm gonna have to go all the way over there. So stick around with me, guys. All right, guys, let's see if they have what I'm looking for. And they do. This is exactly what I needed right here. A little bit more expensive here, but I don't want to drive all the way to the other store. You know, time is money, so there you go. All right. I also might need one of these, but I'm not 100% sure. I definitely need these to dry the car. And this is tire brush. Let's see. It is tire brush, but it's a little rough. Let's see. Let's see, maybe I'll take it. We'll take it, we'll take it. We'll see how it does. Just a few things here. Guys, no lie, but the car actually does feel different with the new tires on. And that's only the front ones, and they're not even new. So I can't even imagine how it's gonna feel when I get all 4 new tires. Yo, I have this coffee from Sunday. What's today? Today's Tuesday. But it's been freaking hot and it was inside the car. Anyway, my I don't know if I can cuss on YouTube, but anyway, my palm ass my palm ass, right? I want to go ahead and try it to see if it's still good. And I'm gonna just try it again for you guys though. Let's see. Oh man, that's disgusting. That's like rotten milk. Oh, I should have known, man. Jesus Christ. All right guys, talk to you guys soon. I made it here. I'm gonna wash my car now, And that takes me a while because I like to take my time. So I'm gonna show you guys the before and I'm gonna show you guys the after, so stay tuned. All right guys, here's the before. I know it doesn't look like it's that dirty, and we can thank the color of the car for that, because that is like a silverish matte, not matte, but like a, I don't know, great cars for whatever reason they always look clean, and they say clean the longest, unlike black cars. Although I love black cars, and I'm thinking of wrapping this one all black in the future, probably pretty soon actually, to be honest with you guys. But yeah, great cars are, you know, gray cars are great because again, they don't really look that dirty, and if you get like a little scratch or something on it, it's very, very hard to like see it unless somebody points it out. But I do have a little dent here that I want to get fixed first. I don't know if you can see that before I wrap it. So I'm gonna get that fixed first and then I'll wrap it. But other than that, okay, you can see here it's a bit dirty, you know. Let's see, you see that right there. So we just want to clean it up, make sure that it's good to go for the weekend. And I did not even realize how big this thing is, man. I could almost fit my whole hand in there. So yeah, so we're gonna clean it, make sure it's good for this weekend. Again, I don't want to be rushing and doing it last minute, and today is the perfect day to do it because it's you know, damn, I spoke too soon. Now the sun is coming out. Well, it's a cloudy day. It's hot, but it's a cloudy day, so I think it's a great day, and let's hope that it stays that way. But it is pretty late, so you know, the sun is gonna go down in a few hours. But yeah, let's get started. Guys, I gotta say this brush is actually pretty good. I mean, look at the wheels, they look clean, and it made it very easy. Now normally I don't like to buy these brushes from AutoZone just because they don't really last that long, but we'll see how this one does. But as far as cleaning goes, I think it's pretty good for the price. Alright guys, there you have it, all clean. What do you guys think? If you think I did a good job, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. But as you can see, new tires, technically not new, but new to the car. So it's pretty much just ready to go for the weekend, which I will be vlogging, so stay tuned for that. And right now I feel disgusting because it took me quite a while, but you know, I like to take my time, do a good job, and but I'm happy with it. Alright guys, there it is, the after. Took a while, but like I said, I like to take my time doing everything proper, and I also did the inside. So let me show you guys. Look at that, looks brand new. Except for that dent right there that I need to get fixed, but there you guys have it. Oh, follow me on Instagram if you're not, Style by Hector. There you guys have it. New tires. I sprayed some of that tire shine on it, so that's setting in. Looks good though, I like it. I don't know if I'll be vlogging more. If I do, I'll throw it in here. If not, I'll see you guys on the next one.